So this 100,000 that is here is in dollars. Actually, this is $100,000. This $100,000 is not a real money. It's just a money put there for you to trade with for practice. You understand? This is what I'm saying. So good, let's proceed. So let's go back to the main place. Quote. That's this side now. This side. Quote. So you'll be seeing these guys that are here and these guys that are here. Let me briefly explain. Euro USD. Euro USD is like the money spent in euro versus the money spent in United States of America. So this euro, which is euro, and this is dollars. You understand? So it's just like euro and dollars. This is two countries. You understand now? They are peers. We call them peers. So euro USD, that means we are trying to trade euro in relation to USD. GBP USD. This is money spent in Britain, in Great Britain versus the US dollars. You understand what I'm trying to say? So USD CHF, I believe during our theoretical aspect of the class, I will be explaining a lot more about currency pairs and a lot of things like that. So you see the numbers here. These numbers that are here, they are asking price and selling price. What do I mean by asking price? For example, now if you want to buy a water, a sachet of water, you will notice that if they are selling the sachet of water to you at the rate of 10 naira, if you are going to sell it back, you will sell it at that 10 naira. You'll be putting some token, some amount of money for you to have interest on it. So that's just the difference between them. So now, for example, now you will see, let's take these guys, let's take this guy. Let's take this guy, for example, and this guy. Notice something. This is 1.307 raised to power 4, and the second one is 1.3037 raised to power 5. You see the difference is just one in their power. You understand what I'm trying to say? So one is a asking price and one is a bidding price. Do you understand now? Don't worry, in the theoretical aspect, more of this. I just want to tell you, I just want to show you how these things function. So before I leave here, you see this plus sign here. This plus sign here. This plus sign here means maybe probably there is some pair that you just want to analyze that is not on this list. And you want to add them to this list. All you do is just click on that plus button, this one. Just click on it. Then you will see, maybe probably I want to add GBP AUD. Great GBP AUD. This is Great Britain pounds and Australian dollars. So then I just click on it. Then it will disappear. Then I go back. Automatically you will see it on your pair. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So now, me as a person, I trade just a single pair, which is GBP USD. So for that, I have to delete every pairs that is on my own MetaTrader. So this is how I delete. You go to this guy that is here. This guy. You click on that guy, then you see this delete button. You click on that delete button, then you select. You see, select, then select, delete. Do you see that? It's gone. So I have Euro USD left, GBP USD, AUD USD left. So going back now, so let me just brush this area. So looking at this place, you have your chart. So let's click on the chart. Let's see how it goes. So this is how a forex chart look like. So now let me explain all the tools you have here for you so that you understand. One thing is, if you click on your screen, something will pop up, something like this. If you see this, then let me just do it around there. Beautiful. If you see this, then let me tell you what this guys means. This one means settings, and I'll still go back to settings and explain all the functions there. This guy means tools. I'll still go back there. This guy means time. This is 1 minute, minute 1. This is minute 5. This is minute 15. This is minute 30. This is 1 hour. This is 4 hours. This is 1 day. This is 1 week. This is 1 month. So now let's break them down. And this is your what's it called now? Your indicator. And this is crosshair. I will explain them one by one what they mean. Just be patient with me. So okay, if you click on the screen again, it will disappear. So that's just how it works. So then if you click on this, it's still the same thing. The crosshair I explained, the same thing is here. So now that's just a shortcut for you. If you click on the crosshair, you will have something like this. Something like this. So this is mainly for maybe probably I want to check a price level that I don't really want to go on to. I don't want to use my tools, but I just want it to be fast, and I want to check a price level in corresponding to a specific candle. You will notice that this is having an horizontal and a vertical line. You will see that this, I can either move this crosshair to a specific candle, you understand, like you can see now, and I can move it to any price range I want to check it on. So that's just the use of it. And let me tell you something, if you are using that, you have to click on that crosshair again. You have to click on this place again to remove this from your screen. So I'll do that now. So it is gone. So see this one. This is an indicator button. Maybe probably you want to add moving average, you want to add stochastic oscillator, you want to add your Ishimoku, you want to add your Bollinger Bands, and all these tools, they are used in forex. But I don't trade strategies like that. I really trade price action, but I will just show you how they work. So click on them. Click on this. If you click on these will pop up. So you can see different ones. You have your trend, your moving average, your parabolic, SAR. Let me just click on any of them. You see, okay, done. You see them here. They are mathematical lines used in calculating the price. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? So if you want to delete them, you click on this button again. You understand? Click on the button again. Then you see this delete button here. Click on that delete button, then click on it, then delete. Do you understand now? So you can add different type of thing you want. You can even combine anything. We have a lot of them here. Maybe if you know how to use them mathematically to calculate price, then you are an advantage on that aspect. So let's move. So this guy here, remember that here at this, remember that here, these quotes, this is where we have our what's it called now, our currency pairs. Maybe you want to trade GBP USD. Most of the time you can go to the quotes and just click on GBP USD, then you open the chart, you press chart. Do you see it? It's going to pop up. The chart is going to pop up for you. So that is that concerning that. But instead of you going that long, you can use here, this one here, by clicking this. Then you see the 3 I have here, the 3 I have on my quote is also here, just like a shortcut for me. So I can click on Euro USD, I can click on GBP USD at any comfortable time. So that is what this one is for. I believe I've talked about this. So this guy here is to split your screen. You split your screen. Maybe probably you want to be looking at 2 markets at the same time. You can split your screen into doing that. So let me just click on it. This will take me back to settings. So you'll see, maybe I want to add a new window. Then this is what, okay, this is the same pair. So I can just I can do it. Okay, sorry, let me delete this one. So I just deleted that. So let me just try again now. Maybe you understand. So if you click on this guy here, it will give you this. Then if you click on that new window, it will give you this. So it will give you this entire window. This entire window, you can decide to add anything you like on it. maybe probably I want to add, this is Euro USD, let me add GBP USD. Can you see it now? I now have my GBP USD here and my Euro USD here. Do you guys understand? So good. So let's keep moving. So if you want to delete that pile, that break, you just have a press down, just click on it, like press it down. You see this will pop up and just cancel. Do you get that? So beautiful. Let's keep moving. So now I've explained that. Yeah, let me now come here to explain more. So this is where we take our position. So now, after doing my analysis on this pair, and I really found out that, for example, now this is a bearish movement. This market is going down, going down, going down, going down, going down. So I now decided that I want to join the sell, because this is a huge sell. And I decided I want to join the sell. Okay, let me join the sell. I'll click on this button. This is our execution button. I'll click on this button, then you will see this guy, you will see this guy, you see this guy, you see this guy, you will see a lot of things. You see this guy here, you see this guy here. So let me take them one by one. So the first one is this guy here is to instant execution. Maybe for example I want to join the market immediately. Instant execution, that means maybe at this current price here, I want the market to just put me in immediately here without anything. I'll just use current market execution. Instant market execution. This is it. So then the market will just pull me there. But if I don't want to join, maybe probably I'm expecting the market to maybe go down a little bit before I join a buy or a sell, I can just I will click on this. I'll click on this. I'll click on it. Then it will give me buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, buy stop limit, sell stop limit. A lot of them like that. But don't worry, as the class continues, you guys will understand. So now these numbers you see here is what they call lot size. Let me now tell you one thing about lot size. The difference between forex and gambling, forex and tete, forex and bet ninja is this. In forex, you have the ability to control your loss, which is equivalent to every business in this world. One thing that is sure in this world is profit and loss. Whatever business you want to do in this life is either you take profit or you take a loss. Same thing as forex trading. Forex trading is that you be on profit side or on a loss side. But for us to manage that our loss, there's something they call lot size. What is called lot size? Believe me, your money is so small that you can easily lose your money in forex market. Imagine someone trading forex market with $100, 50,000 naira. That money is too small. So you require a huge capital to join the forex market. But now there's a certain kind of people called brokers. Those brokers are people that stand as middleman between individuals, retail traders and the market. So these brokers are the people with huge amount of money. So you're having $100, you will give your $100 to the broker, and the broker will help you add money to it and put you in the market. So the way the broker put you in the market is through your lot size. So now a person that is having $100 account, imagine that person is using 1.00 lot size. See what will happen. I want to buy this market. Let me just buy. I just place the buy. You see what will happen now. Good. My order is being taken now. See what happened. See what the market is reading. The market is reading -$3 like that. We'll come back to it. Let's just go back to where we were. So this, you see, and imagine me using 0.1. To do that, all you just have to do is click on that one lot size that is here. Just click on it. Then you have the ability to bring up this. Then you can just put in what you want. 0.01 is the little lot size you can use in this forex market. So 0.01 is 0.01 lot size. Let me now put the same buy. See the difference. This one is already hitting -$7, like -$7. That is 4,200 naira, yeah, minus $7. Imagine if you are already losing out of your 50,000, you are losing $4,007. Imagine, you soon blow your account. But 0.01 lot size, this is just giving you at a nano cent, not even a cent. A cent is 0.1 cents actually, so we are having 0.01. Don't worry, more calculation on this lot size. I will take a day to explain lot size and how it work when I'm trying to talk about risk management in forex market. So let's just leave that for that. But now you understand what lot size mean. Now this area is what we call lot size. Maybe you can either increase your lot size or reduce your lot size. So let's cancel that. So this place, this guy is stop loss, this guy is take profit. Maybe for example, let me go back to the chart. Yeah, good. So now maybe for example, I'm buying this market. When I'm buying this market, I'm saying that according to my analysis, according to my my fundamental and technical analysis, I'm expecting this market to go up. So now based on my analysis, I now find out that it is possible for this market to get to this side and start going down. What will I do? I will put my take profit here, which means when this market gets to this side, this market should take me out with my profit. But or if I now found out that with my analysis I'm wrong, I may be wrong, so what can I do? So here I'm putting on a buy for the market to go up, but now I'm seeing that it is possible for this market to come down. You understand? So what will I do? I will put my stop loss maybe around here. So if this market go against me, this market should take me out at loss around this side, so that I will avoid further loss taking. For example, now if the movement of this price from this side to this side is $10, believe me, you will be at plus $10 here. So now if these markets go in the opposite direction, maybe towards the downside, market just went down instead of going up, went down to this same amount of thing, you also lose minus $10. Do you understand me? You also lose minus $10. So now that's that concerning take profit. So my take profit is me saying when this market gets in profit, maybe I'm predicting the market will go up. When it gets to profit at that stage, it should take out my profit. And stop loss means if the market go against my prediction, if it gets to a certain range, it should take me out at loss to avoid further loss taking. Do you get that? So that is the function of this stop loss and take profit. So how do we set our stop loss and take profit? Listen very well. So now here comes our cross here. So this is our cross here. So now listen, I'm seeing that if this market gets to this side, this market is going to come down. That's what my analysis is telling me. So I put my cross here. What price is this side? 1.08. I'm reading this now. 1.08723. 1.08723. So let's go. So now here is it. I'm already at profit. Beautiful. So now I click on this. See this? I click on this. I click on this guy. That pencil. I click on that pencil. So clicking on that pencil, 1.08. So let's modify. So let's see. Oh, sorry. 770. Sorry. It is 770. It is 770. Okay, let's modify. Let's see how it goes. So you will see that the market will put me at the top, like we put my take profit at the top, which means when the market gets to that place, the market is going to take me out in profit. There's no connection. Oh, I'm sorry for that. The service is bad. Let me try again. I pray it goes. So you see, when the market gets to that side, it's going to take me out. You understand? In profit. So now that means I've taken some profit. So let's just okay, beautiful, it's gone. So now you see it here now. This is it here, this is it here, they take profit. So if this market move to this side, if the market reach that side, the market is going to take me out in profit. Okay, so then let us move, let us roll. Let's be fast with this. Okay, beautiful. Can you see now? This is the advantage of big lot size and the disadvantage of, imagine what if I made my analysis is telling me that this is actually not a buy but a sell. Imagine I'll be losing how much like this? I'll be losing $31. 30, you understand? This, I'm in profit now because my prediction says it's a buy, right? What if my prediction says it's a sell? So how do I conquer that? That is the function of my stop loss, my SL, sorry, it's SL. So let's go there again. So I think I've explained this. So my stop loss is the same thing with that too. So how do I set my stop loss? Let's go to the chart. So my cross here again, so let me just place it here. Let me place it here. So I'm reading the price at this side. So if these markets go against me, if this market gets to 1.085, okay, so let's see, so 8510, if this market go against me, like instead of buying, the market keep selling from that my open position, that means if this market get to that 1.08510, the market will take me out with my loss jejely and warily. So no crime. So this is the difference between forex and gambling. Hope you guys are getting it. So let me modify now. Good, that's done. You can see my stop loss here. So if this market goes this direction, when this market gets here, it will take me in profit. If this market goes in this direction, if this market gets here, it will take me out at loss. Simple as ABC. So that's that concerning that. Let's go back to where we were. So okay, beautiful. I think I explained this lot size now. I explained this stop loss and take profit. Yeah, this price you are seeing here, the prices you are seeing here, was the price I was trying to explain earlier when I was trying to talk about the quotes, asking price and selling price. What I mean by asking price is the price in which people are willing to buy from you and the price in which you are willing to sell to people. Do you get me now? So trust me, if you want to buy from people, this will be the price, right? I think this will be the price. You are willing to buy from people at a low rate. If you are willing to sell to people, this will be the price at a cheaper rate, right? So that's how it goes. So now forget about this. I will explain this as time goes on, but you don't need that for now. So this is just a line graph of what is actually happening in the market. So there's nothing special about it. It is just a line graph of what is currently happening in the market. So let's proceed, and I think I explained that now. Good. So now, after placing a trade, how can you check your trade? Where can you check your trade? You can check your trades here as this button down there. I mean this one, the one here, this guy. So you can see now I'm now checking my trades. So this one, I'm on this one, I'm on this. So you can see, the more I'm making money, what's happening to my equity? My equity is increasing, right? This guy, this is my money. As I'm making profit here, see, this is my profit here. So as I'm making profit here, this guy is increasing, right? That's how it goes. So that's that concerning that. So let's check. So the next thing we'll be checking is history. So for example, now I'll be closing one of this position to see. So let me just close this one, this lower one. So this is how you close position. You just swipe like this. Just swipe like this. Can you see that? Click on this. It will take you close with what? With profit. Can you see there? Close with profit. You can also set your stop loss here, but just close with profit. Close with profit. Good. So I've closed that profit now. So how will I check that stuff? That's where we have history here. Now you see the market's already at loss. You see what will happen now? I'm currently at loss now. You see I was at profit before, but now I'm at loss. Just see what will happen. So history, you can see the market I closed at profit. This is the market here. This is the market here. You see my profit and deposit and a lot of things like that. So good. let's keep moving. So this message is for community. If you wish to join MetaTraders community, then that is for you. You can join them and you receive message, you receive what is currently happening in the market, and you'll be updated and as soon as possible. So let's go back to quote. I think I explained everything now. So good. So that is everything concerning that. If you don't get anything or you find yourself confused with anything, try and go back to this video and watch again and watch again. Oh yeah, now I remember. I want to explain something. So let's go back to code. Yeah, so click on this, you will see these things here: news, mailbox, account monitoring, journal, settings. So forget about those trash. You don't need those trash. If you want to find out yourself, you can just click on them yourself. There's no offense in that, but please help me know it, please. So and let's go to settings. I want to show you something in settings. Let's go to settings. This is settings. So I click on settings now. You will see these guys. Okay, what I'm even looking for is not here. Okay, I think maybe not here, but it will be. But let's go back. Okay, let's go back. Okay, let's click here. So you see these settings here. Click on these settings here. Sorry, I think that I clicked on tools, not settings. Beautiful. You see this kind of things. You see here, you see line type, candlesticks. If you click this line type, you see we have candlestick, we have bar chart, we have line chart. So let me just click on everything so that you see how they display on your chart. So I click on bar chart. Go back to your chart. You see what will happen there? You see they are no longer candles, but they are now bars. Do you get it? Go back to that. To change that, go back to that settings again. I mean this guy. Go back to this guy. This is object. So go back to this guy. Okay. So then click on this guy again. This guy here. So you see candlesticks. I think we are using candlesticks. Let me click on line chart. So you see the chart will appear as a line, nothing else. You see, this is a line, just a line, just line. And there are times we use this thing, but don't worry, as time goes by, you'll be learning how we use them. So let's keep moving. So that is that concerning that. So, but we are going to use our candlesticks. The reason why we use candlestick is because candlestick gives us a lot of details concerning what's going on in the market. If we are doing candlestick anatomy, formation of candlesticks, please pay a very good attention, because forex is just like Yoruba and Hausa language. You need to understand the language first before you communicate or take in any trade. If you don't understand the language, then oh my father, you'll be lost. So that's it. So let's go now to so now this is this is that, this is this. I've explained this. Now I want to talk about this, the tools. Okay, so now clicking on this guy here, I'm having different tools here. I have is this horizontal or vertical? I think horizontal. This is a trend line, this is a vertical line, this is an angle line, this is a how should I put it now? Okay, don't worry, as we move on you understand, you get them. This is an arrow. So let me take them one by one. This vertical line, you can see when you click on that vertical line on back, this is 1 minute, 5 minutes, so let's back it. Okay, when you click on that, when you click on this vertical line and you click on it, and you see it appears here very small, so waiting for you to show where you want to apply it. So you get, so you see now me clicking on my screen, you see it's here. So just drop it by clicking on your screen. So that's that concerning that. So if you want to add another one again, click on it. I want to add trend line. You can see that trend line. So I will tell you the function of those guys later on as we continue the class. I'll tell you the function of those guys. So now clicking on this, we have so this is to measure maybe probably I want to measure at a at a specific range, maybe from this side angle to measure the angle to this side, things like that. So that is what it's for. So let's delete that. So clicking on it again. So if you want to add, maybe you want to add any tools, maybe probably I asked you to add a triangle. Do you want to add any tools here? So you see, just go to this plus sign, just as we did when we wanted to add currency pairs. Click on that plus sign. You want to add rectangle or Fibonacci retracement, anything, you can see it here. This is it. Just click on it. As you've clicked on it, just it appears here showing you've clicked on it, and just drop it on your screen. Yeah, so this is it. Are you getting it? So if you want to delete, just press it down to show it to bring this up, then delete. Simple as ABC. So clicking on it again, anything you want to add, just add here. Then anything you want to delete from it, just delete here. So that is it. That is that concerning that. Okay, what if I have, sorry, this is my okay, what if I have many? Okay, so I drop this here, I drop this here, anything, I just drop anything anyhow here. So and I want to clear them, but I don't want to do them one by one. So the fastest way to do that is just go to this, click on your screen, click on this guy, click on that guy, then click on that guy, then click on this delete button, the way we did for that guy, that's our currency pair now. So just click them, delete, that's all. So you see, you're having a clean start. Hope you guys got this. What else again? So let me talk on time frame. I'll also talk on time frame more in depth as the class proceed, but let me just talk about it briefly now. Notice something. Let me start from new month. Monthly time frame, that's MN. That means I click on this, I'm now at this guy. So starting from this guy. So can you see something? I just have okay, this chart is not loading. Okay, but let me just tell you something. You see, each candlestick you find here. Oh wow, I haven't even taught you how to zoom in and zoom out. Okay, I'll do that very soon. So each candle you find here, I mean each candle you find, each one, this one, sorry, I mean this one, each of them, it take a whole month for them to form. So this candle is trying to show you the price action, what price has been doing at the previous month. So you can see, like this current month we are now, see what the price is doing. The price is what is selling. I will explain to you the anatomy of candles later on, but this candle is a red candle, not a green candle, right? It shows that this market is selling. So this candlestick appears once, which means after a month, that's when you see another candle open again. This monthly candle means just 1 month candle. This is what it's for. So clicking on the screen again, you see this week 1. So clicking on week 1, you will see that each candlestick you see on week 1, it takes a whole week for them to form. Each candle is formed, in a whole week. You understand what I'm trying to say now? Clicking on the screen again, if you go to daily, it means each candlestick you see there, it takes a whole day to form. Are you getting this? If you click on H4, each candlestick takes 4 hours. H1 candlestick takes 1 hour, and like that. Are you guys getting this? So now, what is the summary of this thing? Which means, like, 1 minute candle, 5 minute candle. 5 minute candle, it will take 5 1 minute candle to form a single candle in 5 minutes. Please get this calculation. I will furthermore on this calculation in our coming classes, but just get this now. If you get this now, it will be an advantage for you. 5 minute candle, it will take 5 1 minute candle to form a single candle on 5 minute time frame. Do you get that? So this is the weekly candle. You see, the one candle here forms just a week. One candle here means a week candlestick. You understand what I'm trying to say? So Okay, so get this. Okay, beautiful. So let me just use this. Let me use this as an example. Let me do this. So this is my tool, which is my triangle. So let's capture 5 candlesticks here. 5. So I have from the side, I have one. This is 1 minute, right? Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will see that these 5 candlestick will just be one candlestick on 5-minute time frame. Let's see. No, let me use the current candlestick so that you see this guy here. Okay, beautiful. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so let's check on 5-minute time frame and see. Can you see now? It's just one candlestick. See, half of the previous stick and half of this current stick, which is, can you all see that? Half of this previous stick. So that means that at 15-minute time frame, this guy, that means it will take 3 of 5-minute candlesticks, which is, let's do that. Let's do that now. Let's extend that to this guy. Let's extend that to this guy. So let's go to 15 minutes. You see, it will just be only one candlestick. Are you getting me? Same thing as 30 minutes. 2 or 15 minutes time frame candle. Can you see now? Just one. Half of the previous, half of the current one. Just, are you getting that? So now this one just 2 and blah 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 like that. That's how it goes till you reach monthly time frame. So it's just like 1 minute, 5 minutes is the combination of the incident that happened in 1 minute. Why 15 minutes is the combination of incident that happened in, you understand what I'm trying to say now? So that's how relevant they are to each other. So, and now you'll be noticing I'm doing something like this. Okay, this is how you do it. If you put, okay, I think this is how your price will be when you just open your own. Well, if you put your 2 of your fingers, just 2 of your fingers, a single hand now, not 2 hand, like 2 of your fingers, maybe your thumb and your second finger, if you place it on the screen and adjust it towards each other. Oh, sorry, how will I do this now? Okay, if you place, listen to this. If you place with just 1 finger, if you just put it on your screen for long, this will pop up, this white line, which means you can either shift this market like this or shift like this, shift like this. This is you can use this to, should I say, maybe probably I really want to check something from the back, or I don't want to say anything, just to shift the, so okay, just see this. I shifted this from this side to this side. Now see what will happen. That means I can't see what's going to happen in the future, but once I can't have empty space of what's going to happen in the future. But once I put my finger on the screen and shift it like this, you can see that I have space to see, maybe probably see what, maybe I can predict what the price is going to do, maybe in the nearest future, in this empty space that is here. Do you get it? So that's what it's for. So now what I was explaining concerning your 2 fingers. So just in a swift way, if you place your 2 fingers on your screen and adjust them towards each other, this is what will happen. Do you get it? And if you place your 2 fingers again on your screen, maybe close with each other and expand them, this is what will happen. Sorry, do you get it? As if you are trying to pick something from your screen. Yeah, you are trying to pick something from your screen. So you see, so if you want to open again, so you understand how that goes. So I believe this is well explanatory. Yes, I believe this is well explanatory. Okay, as the current class will go, you guys will be updated with a BC, a broadcast. Times we'll be having our class. Majorly it will be maybe probably evenings around 7:30 to probably 9 or 8:30. Yeah, just 1 hour. We'll be spending 30 minutes in Zoom class, and I'll be sending the video, maybe probably I'll be doing voice notes for you guys to follow, and you guys will be doing a lot of assignments. But if you guys understand this, then you guys are good to go. If you don't understand, please message me into my DM. Just send a message into my DM that you don't get it. Then I'll be taking you guys Zoom on my phone, not my system this time around. I'll be taking you guys Zoom on my phone. So you guys should have a wonderful day ahead. If you are in the morning, that means if you are in Nigeria, have a wonderful day ahead. But if you're outside Nigeria, then you guys should see yourself good and fine. See you guys in the next class. Have a nice time.